Warning, this is not a test. Please listen to the following announcement. There is a new virus that has been named the TW30. It makes carriers extremely aggressive towards humans and become flesh eaters. The RSU has reported infected to have white glowing eyes and red arms and legs. Symptoms may include puking blood out the mouth, seizures, and sweating. If in white zone, lock all doors, barricade all windows and do not let anyone in. If you are not in the white zone, please get to an evacuation site immediately. End of transmission.